The Oukitel WP200 Pro is redefining what a rugged smartphone can do. Packing 24 gigabytes of RAM, a massive 8,800 mAh battery, and a 108MP camera, this beast stands out from the crowd. But here's the kicker, it comes with a detachable Bluetooth headset that doubles as a smartwatch. If that sounds as wild to you as it does to me, hit that subscribe button and let's dive deep into this innovative device. Trust me, you'll want to see what this thing can do. Right out of the box, the WP200 Pro makes a statement with its industrial design. The IP68/IP69K rating means it laughs at water, dust, and extreme temperatures. That 1.5 meter drop resistance? Your average smartphone would shatter, but this tank keeps on ticking. The textured back gives you serious grip, whether you're working on a construction site or just prone to dropping your phone like I am. Flip it over and you're greeted by a stunning 6.7-inch 120Hz AMOLED display. We're talking 2412 by 1080 resolution, Gorilla Glass 5 protection, and HDR10+ support. Scrolling through social media feels buttery smooth and movies look absolutely cinematic. Oukitel even includes a pre-installed screen protector and a rugged case, nice touches for a device built to withstand punishment. Now let's talk about that crazy modular design. The circular display on the back isn't just for show, it's a fully functional 1.47-inch AMOLED smartwatch that pops right out of the phone. With Bluetooth 5.2, heart rate monitoring, and step tracking, it's more capable than most budget smartwatches. Pop it in the included wristband and you've got a fitness tracker. Stick it in your ear and boom, instant Bluetooth headset for calls or music. Performance-wise, the MediaTek Dimensity 8200 chipset paired with 24 gigabytes RAM is absolute overkill in the best possible way. I threw everything at it, Asphalt 9, Call of Duty Mobile, even some emulators. Not a single stutter. The 1 terabyte of storage means you'll never have to delete anything again. Benchmark numbers? How about 3,827 in Geekbench 6 multi-core and 6,333 in 3D Mark Wildlife? These are desktop-class numbers in a rugged phone. Battery life is where the WP200 Pro really shines. That 8,800 mAh battery lasts for days, and when you do need to charge, 45W fast charging gets you from 0 to 100% in just under 2 hours. Standby time is rated at an insane 47 days, perfect for camping trips or emergencies. The side-mounted red button gives quick access to Google Gemini, which is way more useful than I expected for everything from navigation to troubleshooting tech issues. Camera performance surprised me for a rugged device. The 108MP main sensor captures impressive detail, while the 32MP selfie cam handles video calls with ease. You get 4K video from the rear camera and 1080p from the front, not flagship level, but way better than most rugged phones. The macro camera is fun for close-up shots, though the 2MP sensor leaves room for improvement. Software is clean with minimal bloatware. Android 15 runs smoothly, and the Toolbox app includes useful utilities like a bubble level and measuring tape. The detachable watch runs its own lightweight OS but syncs seamlessly with the phone. Watching content on that big, bright display with the detachable earpiece is a uniquely private experience, perfect for commuting. In the box, you get the phone, watch strap, protective case, charger, and cable. At $599, it's priced competitively for what you're getting. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, construction worker, or just someone who breaks phones regularly, the WP200 Pro delivers where it counts. The modular design isn't just a gimmick. It's genuinely useful in daily life. So what's the verdict? The Oukitel WP200 Pro is one of the most innovative rugged phones I've tested. It combines serious durability with flagship-level performance and that crazy detachable watch/headset combo. If you're looking for a smartphone that can keep up with your active lifestyle while offering something truly different, this might be your perfect match. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe for more cutting-edge tech reviews. Drop your questions in the comments below. I read and respond to every single one. Want to check out the WP200 Pro for yourself? I've left links in the description with the best current deals. Until next time, stay rugged out there.